Hello everyone, welcome to MedSam 3D Slicer plugin installation guide. MedSam is a tool for semi-automatic segmentation of 2D and 3D medical images which can now be integrated to the famous image computing platform 3D Slicer. To install the module, you first need to have 3D Slicer software installed on your computer. You can follow the link in our GitHub page, README file, to access 3D Slicer download links. The link to our GitHub page can be found in the video description. Choose the right version for yourself and follow the installation step to have it set up. When 3D Slicer is installed and ready to use, you can install MedSam module. First, from the right panel of our GitHub page, select the latest release and now download one of the files and save it to your desired location. Extract the saved archive file Now it's time to import it to Slicer. Open 3D Slicer. From the toolbar, choose the drop-down menu with the text reading Welcome to Slicer. Then navigate to Developer Tools, Extension Wizard. When Extension Wizard is open, click on Select Extension button. Locate the directory called MedSam from the extracted files and choose it. Accept if asked to add the new modules. Now, to confirm if the installation is done, from the same drop-down menu under the segmentation submenu, select MedSAMLite. If a page like this appears, it means that you have installed the first stage of MedSAMLite. MedSam plugin uses several tools to run, which should be installed when accessed for the first time. Choose a location where those tools are going to be installed and click on Install Dependencies. It will take a few minutes for the installation to complete. After it was done, we have to restart 3D Slicer. After it was done, we have to restart 3D Slicer. confirm that installation was done successfully, choose Welcome to Slicer drop-down menu and click on Segmentation, MedSAMLite. You should see a page similar to this. Congratulations! You have MedSAMLite fully installed on your computer.